Faceless affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're looking for a way to make money online without creating your own products, without talking to customers, and without showing your face on camera, then this video is for you. Today we're covering faceless affiliate marketing for beginners and exactly how complete beginners are getting started in 2026. Make sure you subscribe right now because on this channel, I share affiliate marketing tips, online business strategies, and ways to build income online. Also, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people who want to learn faceless affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is faceless affiliate marketing? Faceless affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products and earn commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. The best part is that you don't need to show your face, record yourself, or become an influencer. Many beginners think affiliate marketing requires a huge audience or expensive software. That's simply not true. Faceless affiliate marketing for beginners can be started with basic tools and a simple strategy. The first step is choosing a niche. You want to pick a niche that has products people are already buying. Popular niches include making money online, software, business tools, health, fitness, personal development, and technology. The biggest mistake beginners make is choosing a niche they have no interest in. If you're going to create content consistently, pick a niche that you can talk about for months or even years. Now let's talk about affiliate offers. Once you choose your niche, you'll need products to promote. You can find affiliate offers through affiliate networks, software companies, online education platforms, and digital products. The key is selecting products that solve a specific problem. People don't buy products, people buy solutions. If someone wants more website traffic, they buy a traffic solution. If someone wants to build an email list, they buy an email marketing solution. If someone wants to make money online, they buy education and tools. That's where affiliate marketing becomes powerful. Now, before I continue, if you'd like access to the exact resources and tools many beginners are using right now, click the link in the pinned comment below. I've put together resources that can help you get started faster. Next, let's discuss content creation. One of the biggest advantages of faceless affiliate marketing for beginners is that content creation is easier than ever. You can create videos using AI voiceovers. You can use stock footage. You can create screen recordings. You can create slideshow videos. You can even create tutorial-style videos without ever appearing on camera. The goal is to provide value while helping viewers solve a problem. For example, if someone searches for affiliate marketing tips, create a video teaching affiliate marketing tips. If someone searches for email marketing software, create a review video. If someone searches for side hustles, create a side hustle tutorial. This allows you to attract targeted traffic from search engines and platforms like YouTube. Another important strategy is keyword research. If you want to rank videos and get free traffic, you need to understand what people are searching for. That's why targeting phrases like faceless affiliate marketing for beginners can be so effective. Long-tail keywords often have less competition and higher buyer intent. Instead of targeting a broad phrase like affiliate marketing, target more specific phrases such as faceless affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing for beginners 2026, or how to start affiliate marketing without showing your face. These targeted keywords can help your content rank faster. Now let's talk about traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketing business. Without traffic, nobody sees your affiliate links. The good news is there are multiple traffic methods available. YouTube, short-form videos, search engine optimization, blog content, Pinterest, social media, email marketing. The most important thing is consistency. Most beginners quit before they see results. The people who succeed keep publishing content consistently. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe because I share new strategies and tutorials regularly. Let's talk about email marketing. Many successful affiliate marketers build an email list because it allows them to communicate directly with potential customers. Instead of relying entirely on social media algorithms, you can build your own audience. When someone joins your email list, you can provide helpful content, recommendations, tutorials, and product suggestions. This creates trust. Trust creates sales, and sales create commissions. Another major mistake beginners make is trying to promote too many products at once. Focus on one niche. Focus on one traffic source. Focus on a few quality offers. Master those first, then expand. Remember, faceless affiliate marketing for beginners is not about doing everything. It's about doing a few things consistently. Now let's discuss expectations. Can you make money with faceless affiliate marketing? Absolutely. Can it happen overnight? Probably not. Like any business, it requires learning, testing, improving, and consistency. Some people earn their first commission in a few weeks. Others take several months. The people who win are the ones who stay in the game long enough to learn the skills. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is that those skills can be used across many different niches and industries. Before we wrap up, make sure you click the link in the pinned comment below if you'd like access to resources that can help you get started with faceless affiliate marketing faster. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I regularly share affiliate marketing tips, traffic strategies, AI marketing tutorials, and online business training. Let's quickly recap. Choose a profitable niche. Find quality affiliate offers. Create valuable content. Target buyer intent keywords. Drive traffic consistently. Build an email list. Stay consistent. Those are the foundations of faceless affiliate marketing for beginners. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the pinned comment for additional resources and training. I'll see you in the next video.